What's up, guys? It's me, Packy, from the house with my Columbia 300 Power Torque, and today I'm bringing you guys a much different ball review than usual. Today I'm just going to throw it in league for all 3 games no matter what. And that means I'm going to give it to you guys in a competition setting, so you guys are going to be able to see the moves that I can make, the moves that I can't make, whether this ball burns up the fronts, makes it tight down lane, makes it hook early, makes it hook down lane. Whatever this ball does to the lane and whatever moves that I need to make and can make with this ball, I'll be describing to you guys along the way. So these are my 3 games in the league, and if you guys want to help me and the YouTube algorithm, the Altube algorithm, click that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it if you like watching these videos, and you can change this number right here to help me out and make it go up. Let's get to these 3 games of league. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself with this Power Torque Pearl. I'll see you guys after I shoot hopefully above 600? Yeah.
Hey Riley,
What's up?
nice game.
Thank you.
Beating my ass.
All right, so game 1, I shot like a 247 or 248. Riley crushed me, but this video isn't about whether Riley crushed me. Riley shot 300. Awesome, shout out, props to him. But this video is about the Power Torque, and my Power Torque for game 1, that was the first game I threw it, that was the first time I threw it. Hadn't thrown it before the 10 minutes of warm-up that we got for league. So first impressions of the ball, my first 10 frames with it, I thought it was super good. It was a lot earlier and smoother than I was expecting. For some reason I was expecting like a mid-line or a mid-level weaker pearl ball. And usually I don't get the opportunity to throw a lot of pearl balls. The only time really is in league. But with this being an earlier, smoother shape, I do think I'm going to be able to bring it to some tournaments. Like this weekend when I go to Shawnee, it'll definitely be in the bag. I don't know if it'll get a lot of play with the pattern being 44 feet, but that ball will definitely be in the bag this weekend for the regional. So first impressions, really good. It's really smooth. It's early, but it's not early and quick. It's early and makes a smoother shape for it being a shiny pearl ball. First impressions, really like it, really impressed with it. And now on to game 2 and hopefully a little better score. I had those 2 not great breaks on shots that were okay, so 240 game 1, and let's get to game 2. So game 2, I finally beat Riley. He shot 300 game 1. He did not shoot 300 game 2. I shot a 257, I believe? 258? 258 with a 9-pin and a 7-pin. 9-pin, not a great shot. Still one of the worst breaks in bowling, and they're just coming to haunt me now. But the power torque as of game 2 is still very smooth, very good. It seemed like the carry down was in effect a little more than usual because of me throwing a pearl ball. So as game 2 went on, the fronts didn't get too burnt up where I had to move right. I actually could move a little bit left with this ball and square up with it on the pattern. Because of that, I shot a little better score, and I adjusted, I squared up, I threw it a little firmer, rolled it a little more to make sure it picked up. And once I 7-pin, I made that move, and it was definitely the right move. And we'll see if that move can hold up for game 3, because I'm assuming it's going to start to break down in the front and middle part of the lane where I'm going to need to move right. But as for right now, that move left, a little firmer speed, a little more up the back of the ball, that was definitely the move. But we will see what game 3 has in store for me. Game 3, here we go. As of game 3, I will say that this was a tutorial on how to beat me in League. You shoot 800, you shoot 300, you're going to beat me. Shout out to Riley for beating me. As for the power torque, that ball was super good. I really liked it, and I thought as I got towards the middle of game 3, the front started to go a little bit, and I had to end up moving right, rotating a little bit. I shot another 247 or 248 again. So I ended up in the 750s, which was a really good set for me, 754 I think it was. So a really good set for me. The power torque also, it allowed me to move left and roll it. It allowed me to move right that last game and rotate it a little bit. And it allowed me to win 2 of my league points, which was not a lot, but hard to win when you get 800 shot at you. So shout out to Riley again. And this power torque, very impressed. It's a versatile ball. I'm going to be able to throw it on multiple patterns. I'm not only going to bring it in the house shot bag, but I will be putting it in the tournament bag this weekend for Shawnee. You can catch that vlog on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, hopefully. If I make the cut, it will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So look out for those vlogs. Hopefully I'll be throwing the power torque, and hopefully that thing looks nasty, but you know how we roll. Purple hammer or die. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys sticking along to the end of this video. Shout out to Riley Patton for bowling an amazing 801. And shout out to my power torque for giving me a 250 average on the night. So until the next ball video / league review / whatever this thing was, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Short.